Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Outside the coffee shop. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn real-life English in a coffee shop. You'll see how to order politely, make small talk, and pay naturally, just like a native speaker. Let's step inside and enjoy some coffee. Sitting and ordering.
Good morning, ma'am. What would you like to have today?
Good morning. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a bit cold outside today.
Got it. Anything else for you?
Yes, one chocolate muffin, please.
Great choice. I'll be right back with your order.
Thank you so much. Waiting and relaxing. The smell of fresh coffee is everywhere. It feels so peaceful here. Sometimes I just need a quiet morning like this to recharge. Everyone seems so relaxed. It's like time slows down in places like this. I love the sound of rain outside and the warmth of this cozy cafe. Honestly, moments like this make me feel grateful. Just a cup of coffee and a little peace. That's all I need today. Going to the washroom? Excuse me, where's the washroom, please?
It's on the left side, near the corner.
Thank you. Everything here feels so calm. Even the music is relaxing.
Okay.
Paying the bill and leaving. Excuse me, could I get the bill, please?
Sure, just a moment.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Done. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
You too. And thanks for the great service. Outside again. So today we learned how to order coffee, ask politely, and pay naturally in English. These are real conversations you can use anytime in daily life. Now it's your turn to practice. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep shining.